Welcome to our tour of Baler, a town located in the province of Baler, Philippines. In this video, we'll explore some of the most beautiful and significant destinations that this amazing town has to offer. First up, Sabang Beach. If you're a beach lover, Sabang Beach is a must-visit destination. It's a true paradise, offering pristine waters, fine sand, and towering waves. Sabang Beach is a popular spot for surfers who come to ride the waves, especially during the surfing season, which typically runs from September to March. Visitors can also try other water activities like paddleboarding or kayaking. If you prefer a more laid-back experience, you can simply lounge on the beach and soak up the sun while enjoying the breathtaking views of the sea. So behind me, I'm fairly sure, is where the scene in the movie Apocalypse Now was filmed. Next, let's head to the filming location of the iconic movie Apocalypse Now. The scene where the famous helicopter attack was filmed was actually based on a real-life event. The landmark serves as a reminder of Baler's history and the events that shaped it. Visitors can learn about the town's past and take photos of the spot where one of the most famous war movies of all time was filmed. Moving on, we have Quezon Park. This peaceful oasis in the heart of the bustling town is named after Manuel L. Quezon, one of the most beloved and influential Philippine presidents who often visited the town. The park offers lush greenery, benches, and a fountain, making it a perfect spot for a picnic or a leisurely stroll. Visitors can also admire the bronze statue of Quezon and learn about his life and achievement.
100 pesos.
If you're interested in history and culture, make sure to visit the Museo de Baler.
So we're heading.
The museum houses a vast collection of artifacts and exhibits that showcase the town's rich history, including its indigenous roots, colonial past, and contributions to Philippine history. Visitors can explore various galleries, including the Ethnographic Gallery, the Spanish Colonial Gallery, and the Philippine Revolutionary Gallery, among others. The museum also hosts temporary exhibits that showcase local art and culture. Alright, so we decided to take a trip over to the beach again because the weather improved, so we get a better view of the beach.
Wow.
Here we attempted to get some drone footage, but the wind wasn't very helpful. Also, you'll notice boys will be boys no matter what country you're in.
Sabang Beach.
Here are a couple little shops where you can purchase some souvenirs.
Oh, no. Not like that. No. I'm joking. Depot.
Our next stop is the Baler Hanging Bridge, a suspension bridge that spans over the Sabang River. It's a popular spot for tourists who enjoy walking across the bridge and taking in the stunning views of the river and surrounding areas. The bridge's design allows it to sway gently with the wind, providing an exciting experience for visitors. It's important to note the bridge has a weight limit and visitors should follow the safety guidelines posted at the entrance.
Ready?
This is the other side of the hanging bridge. You can either turn around and go back, or take a nice long walk for a tricycle ride. We chose to take the walk.
Hello.
I don't know, because it's cool. I'm okay with it. It's the first time I've got out and explored out in the provinces anyway. So,
Should I bring all of my bikinis?
yeah, I don't think. No, I left my home. What is it, Jilly? Gotcha. Good? Wouldn't want to, but good. Yeah.
Last but not least, we have the Baler Lighthouse. This iconic landmark is located atop a hill overlooking the sea and has been in operation since the 19th century, serving as a guide for ships entering Baler Bay. Today, the lighthouse is a popular spot for visitors who come to admire the stunning views of the sea and the town. Visitors can climb up to the top of the lighthouse and take photos of the panoramic views. The lighthouse is especially picturesque during sunset when the sky is painted with hues of orange and pink.
If I'd have known I was gonna have to hike up, I'd have worn tennis shoes. That's absolutely stunningly beautiful. This is just so gorgeous. I mean, the lighthouse is okay. That's awesome. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try and fly the drone out to them if I can.
And that concludes our tour of Baler. We hope you enjoyed exploring these amazing destinations with us. From Sabang Beach to the Baler Lighthouse, Baler has so much to offer, and we highly recommend you visit if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.